A couple years ago, I couldn't understand the word home. I have a physical home, but I never feel like I'm home. Just like everybody else, I try to survive. I've mastered all of my ability to make it work based on the society standards. I have a big house, big garden, stable income, a family, but still, I feel empty and wondering what is wrong with me. What am I lacking of? Life is truly a mystery. Before we started to question everything about life, I feel confused, irritated, burnt out, and tired all the time. Apparently, this is the beginning path to my inner home. There are no mistakes in life. Every human has been given a specific unique journey to learn from. The reason why I feel empty is because I haven't found peace in my heart. I haven't cultivated a safe space inside me. I was leaking and dying. I blame everything in my life. I was victimized myself. No matter how grand our life is, we'll never feel content if our heart is in constant struggle and pain. Until at one point, I decided to do a radical change. I can't take it any longer. I must create changes because I love myself. We can find our true home by healing our shadows and traumas first. When you want a nice house, you must clean it first, right? We update our phone every month. We clean our kitchen every day. We take a good care of our car, but we forget the most important thing. We forget to look after our heart, which is our true home. We left it broken because it is so hurtful, so we ran away from it. The more we run, the snowball will get bigger and scarier, and we don't realize that we have been in this pain for more than a decade. A home is a place where we are 100% safe and we can express our authentic self without fear. We need to feel safe inside our body. Our heart and soul is our primary home. It is always within us. There is no other place more important than our inner home. Even when death comes, our soul and heart will always be with us. It is indeed the most precious thing we need to protect. Self-love is about prioritizing our heart and soul first. When we are rooted in our spirit or home, then we can be the light for others. Otherwise, we'll be polluting the earth with our unconsciousness and therefore making others unsafe. Don't look externally for whatever missing in your life. Everything you need is already inside you. Your true home is in your heart. It will take a lot of tears, heartache, isolation, but soon you will see the light at the end of the dark tunnel. It is for sure. Keep walking, keep crawling, keep moving no matter how slow. You'll get there. Your heaven on earth. Your inner home.